Zionite. Because and na this particular opinion, nothing can change it. It doesn't stop
Okay.
I believe that nobody should go to hospital.
Nobody is telling you to change whatever place you are.
So if nobody's
yes, as I was saying, let me continue with what I was saying. I'll get doing. Now, Ijele got to the point where he accused Evangelist Ebuka Obi of non-Egbu Mmadụ. He said all manner of things. He leveled all manner of allegation against Evangelist Ebuka Obi n'iru akwụkwọ. We are confronting him. Many of you, Ogedwin, including you, not against us.
No. People
were calling us all sorts of names. I remember, Ogedwin, you used to comment on my broadcast until the day Ebata Zilabata, Ezuoku Nife Meriji Ebata live na my broadcast that day, because of KC Okwuluola Ndị Igbo.
Thank you,
but you take the case of that COS. Or do say case of that COS, where was you for the Nima to the point that na Mbae Bakwara into matter concern on Zion and Evangelist Ebuka Obi on transfer that attack on us without actually knowing Facebook, except some people who cannot understand that area of engagement. Now, but actually can draw out to draw before you were Newu a Zionite. I am wondering, why is it that all the series of allegations, Ijele even threatened Evangelist Ebuka Obi's family? He went to the extent of saying that no, it happened.
I'm not aware.
Now,
but I'm not sure. Even though that something like this happened, one, they totally against it.
Okay.
Okay. Really it happened. But okay. My own, can that guy even do that thing?
No. I hate who can he do that.
If he tries it, then the law will pick him up.
If such kind of things he had more get doing.
I never had it. First time now.
I'm going to make it against you. Another somebody somewhere will take advantage.
Somebody saying that they're doing that wanted to destroy Okwuluola. How?
Okay, doing if you know Okwuluola.
I'm doing that wanted to Okwuluola.
My name is Okwuluola. Okay, doing.
No. That can come and stand between me and Okwuluola.
Yeah, okay, doing. I'm
not going to get it.
I was going to go.
John, Joyce, I wouldn't get where they go. I can only guide him. What I mean? Why I did my mistake?
I'll get to the guidance here now. Oh, even on a Facebook, get out of on support.
More about it.
Yes, now.
People we had before one time.
Okay, to win. Okay, to win. Emane Batacha life on that day. Emane Batacha life on that day. Omeho Ede Mfukwayo na live ebe Makelechi TV na Kelava ya Choko Milo na Inolokwa ebe ahụ na-aba n'Okwuluola na Kelifonu na-eje achọrọ onye zuru ohi whereas na anyị macha onye zuru ohi. How can Okwuluola come out when he already knows that no nyanwa onye selu that plan na anyị macha? Yes. Na-abata that program.
Ezugo, I don't think na he na-ekwu bụ eziokwu.
Ọ ga-edwin. Anaghị m
anọkọta, anaghị m atọ okwu ahụ. How do I say it? All I did is ihe ahụ eji mara gị, come and do it. That's it. And nothing.
Okay.
I know you are somebody that fight for people.
Okay.
When I'm going to come and fight, ka I recover ego.
Okay.
Because I will apologize.
Okay. Edwin. Me wotaro series of video. Me wotaro as one video. Me wotaro series of video. After video ebe no. egosikwana m vidio ebe ị nọ na-ekwu na ihe akpọ Okwuluola na ihe asị na Okwuluola zuru ego ndị mmadụ. Enwekwara series of videos ebe ị nọkwa. Yes, afụkwa series of videos ebe ị nọkwa na conflict kwa that same thing ikwuru.
No.
Or get win.
Yeah, assumption. You get me?
Assumption now. No. Assumption. Jenny legacy videos I made now. They made so many.
I get no room for people to enter. Are they possible? Hey, I know here they go. This our brother now now.
So many videos.
Network. This mic will be here. I can't here. Can never see people like this. Judas on you check this profile.
Waja say now their plan then. Let's go TV. Even they call us both to do if we are to the extreme. Got to the extreme. If you made that young man not good, that is the truth. If you made that young man not good,
Okwuluola, where the head you are married. And that's what I'm calling for. Nothing more. I want you to show me a video of Okwuluola on your show. I will. If we tell one, I swear I will apologize.
That was most of our annoyance then.
No.
You were saying that you get
never,
but you were also conflicting yourself in the other way.
How?
I watched that video closely more than how many times. Ebi Kulu, Keludo here Neja, Kevan as I did as you Okwuluola, Nyapota, the Daniel the Madaga, where the shot on your Gunde Mother. Why not Nyama? Won't you Hanacho?
No.
Then you said there is no. You said
where you see me coming out directly is on that particular guy and boy VJ. That's the only comment I normally make. I always say ABJ is Okwuluola is ABJ.
No.
That's the only thing I said.
You said there is
for him to come out and openly in a platform and give go ahead order to people to interact business.
You said You said, I'm going to hit the phone. You said that there is no Zimbabwean man. That the Zimbabwean man is Okwuluola Ndị Igbo.
No,
you said
I never said it.
You said, how can we be looking for a Zimbabwean man?
I never said it. Okay, I will allow you to flow. Every flow, I will now say my.
No, now we've been the
what I mean.
A very dangerous job. A very dangerous job. Why? You gotta go on a individual broadcast. If you man, ain't no hard together with the Kelechi and Dotu. Even go one
no, here na me wona. Gwa, I know together. Doesn't mean he only line you no hear more na. No, because but when I'm alone, I don't think I'm doing that. You are saying, like, can you do it too, Henka?
I won't do it bad, and I'm a need the phone on you glass. I'm on a glass here. Yeah, allow where the way I'm 20 AC or Joey get off. Hey, what I go? So now, man, I get win. Actually, when you say Edwin, you, Akoma TV, Shokomilo, Starman, all of you, and then Okwuluola, calling him Onyoshi. Yes.
Because
yes,
not easy to say something.
Yes,
go my allegation.
Now, get doing. Can you put another ajojo? I will look at that na motor fu. Mbo no nguzuru motor. Mbo no nguzuru motor. Kerifi yeme.
I have to.
Let me say that now.
I have to submit myself.
You have to submit yourself
to
investigation. Thank you very much. Kelu konu si we kwuo na-ezu oyi na platform Okwuluola Ndị Igbo nwe na Okwuluola Ndị Igbo that ono na Facebook for na many people including you na elebeli a thief. How do you want him to come and be an investigator of a crime. How do you want him to flow? Yes. How do you want him to come and be an investigator of a crime he is accused of? Did he say that he was there in any way? Okwuluola Ndị Igbo say not submit your own way to investigation.
Government, I want to correct an impression.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello. Okay. I know so. Yeah, actually, mega Victory State. Mrs. Zuza, Oiga. More apple.
I have because my like it.
More apple.
You know, get the way they are up. I don't talk also because now, but some okay the way the back of Savannah apology in the Sunday. Still on, people get the way in the Quadrant joke.
Okay, can I know where could you have because? Never whenever you hear me say Ebedima, onye ọla mamu marago omwana nsị Ebedima amago ya na repato onye already has anything to do with Okwuluola. No, I'm sure ihe mụnwa kwuru ahụrụ ihe ndị ọzọ kwuru. I know settle her because the victims are not equal. Up to now, we with one naira. Can you settle it? No. You cannot reconcile with that. You know, I mean, without the victims being. No, I'm not even. My own. I am standing out in this issue. Because that video only one. Only one. Oh, I got battery. Okay, 1,000. Hey, I don't know whatever one. I hear what that program. Mommy Joy, I hear what that program about Balaba. Conca and Gayabata. Concor on Naki. Hey, Mommy Joy, welcome. It's a Mommy Joy. One and him the we have I can best Mommy Joy, when I live in the man of my Waja. Also, I get or get win Macayesum that group or get win. I am them to request here now. So, Mama now, Mommy Joy, is some nothing got there where my apology. Mommy Joy, it's on under my apology. Mama, apology. Yes. Come to another question. Thank you. That was not the issue. We are not here to talk about that money again. Yes. Even the who concerning our relationship as a man, because now
ụmụ akwụkwọ ma polisi na-ebe niile n'ebe ị ga-abụ ụlọ ekwere ibe anyị gwara unu ka anyị bụrụ information mgbe ka anyị wee were nwayọ mee ya ka ego a wee nwee.
And waja up to today it is not even proof na aka Okwuluola do n'ife melu which was all ha na-abịa na program abịa eme their own plan wu to indict Okwuluola na Okwuluola sụji ego ndị mmadụ. They failed to prove it.
Ezigo, I cannot be with you here. You are kind of, trying to say something that is not true.
I want to the question. Everyone get win not here now. Or get win na here. How many apology? I need a woman that we disagree to agree. We disagree to agree woman.
Mommy Joy, one thing that he been so one that he been so.
From now, Bagana living or get win na Ezugo. I want people see them. So tell us, I need a woman. It's better as I need a woman. And what I am to apology to.
I tell you that I'm not at the end of the day, you find out people that
No. I want any findings. I want any conclusion.
In behalf of people that are being protected.
Victims are still stranded. Okwuluola is the owner of this platform, and the scam took place in his platform. Crime scene. I think that the people was recovered. But you took this process, public process, and you want to do it.
And what do you maybe? And what do you know what I measure our people? We are one. Network is very, very bad.
Can you have a program every day? Can you have a program every day? Every morning, every night, every evening.
From information I'm getting,
check out
victims have not gotten 1 naira.
Yes. That's an old job.
Maja, I've been at that area. I still stand by it. That you.
The network is very, very bad.
A woman who happened to be a victim. To tell the people that this woman is that is where you go. Yeah.
Waja. Mary, Mary COS in a way. COS.
Yeah.
Mba how much you may the money even Nyango apply for COS no way. Thank you. Now Onwere a single person nyere Okwuluola ego since eji wee kwuo ife niile a. Onwere onye nye Mary ego. So, you know, say, now I have the actual people.
Our brothers will go Mary Wagents. Mary Wagents.
Even the woman, my common name, you know, I know no good shy. That's all. But I'm not doing you. I can't be the
Waja. Abu Miron in Equia. No man, Waja. I see the purpose. Go and do go Jibata. You just let Okwuluola name not be mentioned. I know Kukweli.
We are not saying that Okwuluola mentioned.
No. This is, and now you are not telling me I should not talk about Okwuluola. I'll have to come apologize to you. Who said that? You were interest. You were interest.
More abu.
Why that? Hey.
You know, question Corona Okwuluola. I don't know.
To be honest with you, I've never one day come out on social media. So Okwuluola was there. Who let him Okwuluola?
Yes. Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Actually, I have a problem. If I do a problem, there goes a lot of people on to worry. You understand? After see, when the mother of the if I do go our relationship, I had a good problem no, even the good relationship between Mono Gateway, Mona Kirechi, Mona Makabila, Mona Kerabia, Perimana Switzerland, Mona I don't know because people at the end of the day are going to former police. You not find out I don't see the reason why I have to pay.
Because I won't Nakaya Diocha, then why are we now talking? I won't Nakaya Diocha. So, but my own, have the victims gotten 1 naira?
The victims on your Okwuluola ego.
Where did Kerebe with the crime scene? Kebo take replace?
Yeah.
Because I will hear. I am doing that. Oh, I'm doing that. As far as the information they waited today. Waja, can we go again? As far as I'm concerned, my concern is let the money that every man for on the bank return on. So go on with I've never one day open my mouth waiting Okwuluola Zunundi Bayoshi.
Me could countless time.
Get one month. I will say it. I want to contact it in your program.
You could countless time.
I want you to bring a proof where I said it.
You could countless time.
But I want you to bring out one, and I will surely apologize. No. I want one particular event for Okwuluola Wonyoshi.
Okay, we have Nigeria. Just go to Nigeria. You are in Nigeria. A lot of people are not even there. I'm going to get up with I discuss this matter.
Because now we had an equal now. The victims are, I know how feel bad, and I don't want to. Oh, now for and I don't want to. I want to match on the Kukwa. I had a Kubo Zion. I got Zion. Why that? Because I don't Zion.
One apple, Kayapu Zoku appending.
Because I got Zion.
Where's the call?
I got Zion.
Okay, Dalo. Okay, I'm gonna. I'll get the win. I actually go back to Zion Ministry.
Zion Ministry because I only
now I'll get the win.
I'll get the win. Because
yes, I got a game and a problem don't have Facebook. I wanna onye kwuru ekwu ya ekwu mana o nwere ike no ya gawan now I'll get the win. Mana o nwere ife kpatara na ịga na page ma from beginning to end the way weta onwebụghị anything nkwuchalụ mpụta echi agwa ngo na mekwuhe reason who because ana m enyo critically before mekwuo. I always avoid talking out of emotion because when I talk out of emotion or anger I may forget the length ngaru tomorrow actually na enwe m ike sị na mekwuru ozie during the time of mgbe okwu na ụka gbasara Zion bidolu na Facebook almost all those people in fact even you we are making reference to amụma evangelist Ebuka Obi bụrụ Okwuluola Ndị Igbo na ego COS ahụ wonye awa ego ahụ Ebuka Obi bụrụ ya na amụma no you receive Okwuluola wee confirm one receive go that money. So don't forget that now. In defense, you are trying to make me to know. No. You are trying to tell me that my spiritual father, no, all those then. Do we know? No, I am not spiritual father. That's what you are trying to say now. But you don't need all this why. Propaganda. So. My own project, I mama di cooked on there. For the sake of no Facebook, a lot of people manike Donna Zion and they prove again all Donna Zion. They want to go. And I'm a doubt. Zion. How more your men are? At time I got. Yes, we will know your men are money now. When the Zion, if you go there, how more your men are, but how more is Zion? Kelogis we will know your men. I make it different. Can give Ben Naga. Kai which got ever. How your men are. And again, so I want to get you one line. Men are Ben, even no go be ne kuya. E kan waje una maguna ma ole kuya na podium here there. You can never okay, there's no way you can defend yourself. You know when you kuya. Ona to be for Igbo. Ona to ma people. When you dey ka ordinana. Shall get win. Ganiru. I'm not able to for that reason. Thank God you are saying it now and people are hearing it. Now no get to win. Before my are you a supporter of Matthias? Matthias Ezako, since he came out, doing all the good things he was doing before he even became Onyo Menala. Are you a supporter of Matthias? Yes or no? No, yes or no? Now, every are you a supporter of Matthias? Yes or no? Your view at Gawagi. Yes or no? Now, answer. I'm a supporter of Matthias. I'm a supporter of Matthias. Okay, thank you. Yes. Can you tell me message Matthias? Okay. Finish. Okay, Chelu. Yes. Okay, Chelu. Ikwetalu, even Matthias in Eku, now one baby virgin evangelist Ebuka be a fake man of God. And then now the whole testimony is Nina and when Zion minister na arrange.
I've never come out to throw my support.
No, asking go Ikwetalu yeah.
Go do Monte. I've never come out to throw my support.
Ngakuzbie na camera keto get win. Ikwetalu yeah.
Can't go about myself. Now
don't say no, don't. No. Get win. I will have bagage. It's a strong supporter of Matthias. And don't know why I in a joker. I not even in the pastor you could. When I joke it, since you are a strong supporter and follower of Matthias, and Shelunu no get win.
Allow me to land. Allow me to die. Allow me to die. You are trying to bury me alive now. Can you allow me to talk my own opinion? Who is Matthias? That's on Matthias. Talk one neighbor. I'm an elder. So who am I here to come and bend a Matthias?
Oh, my baby, wait, I will call you back. Oh, I'm on live. Oh, I will call you back. Oh, okay, what do you know?
Because I've been on somebody before Matthias and on media. I've been on the media, and when I see Matthias, what he was doing, I was supporting. The only money you go, Matthias, 3,000 naira. I will not lie. And you pay me anything more than 3,000 naira. And I saw a lot of great things he was doing. And I know his anger with today, which I always come out and say, I won't decide, but I won't decide. But I want to tell you about myself, my very own person. I don't believe in anything miracle. What do I mean? And it doesn't make me not to be a Zionite. My mother knows it. My sisters know it. They're all Zionites.
What makes you to become a Zionite?
I didn't become a Zion for miracle.
Zion or church?
Zion is not a church.
So Zion is not.
Zion is a ministry.
Why since your sole aim is to go and worship God? Why you will have a church? Decide they are either Zion.
Church in the
Zion is not a church. You are either an Anglican or a Catholic.
I am a Catholic.
Or no Catholic church, around.
I am a Catholic. And I told you I worship in Catholic. I go to Zion for prayers.
For prayers. Prayers for what? Prayers for what?
Prayers for my own soul.
For your own soul, you said you don't believe in miracle.
Okay, let me tell you.
So, prayer for what?
I don't go to Zion for miracle.
Okay, you go for Zion for prayer.
Thank you.
Prayer for what?
I said it again. I repeat it again. I don't go to miracle to Zion for miracle.
You go for prayers.
I go for
prayers for what?
I am meditating between me and my God.
You are meditating between you and your God.
Yes.
When you feel in
Everybody can never help me to achieve what I want to do.
So, can you feel
for my mind? For my mind and soul.
So the only thing in a paper way potential evangelist go be now say I declare healing, I declare Okuha, I pray for your soul. You see, amen.
Miracle. I don't go and dig in. You only on social media, all the men are there. I know I do delete most of my videos, but if you can recall, I've never one day come out and said that I believe in anything miracle. Carry me to hospital. Carry me to hospital.
Whatever Zion do between you and your God. I don't know what took you to Zion. It is only you and your God.
Do you know that?
But what I know is that if you tell me that what took you to Zion is just for you to go and pray for your soul, I will tell you that you are lying.
Okay, no problem. So you
are a born Catholic.
You believe
Can't you pray for your soul in a Catholic church?
You believe that I went there for miracle?
You went there for something stronger than what I don't know. I don't know because it might even happen.
Can I talk?
For something.
Can
Which
I
don't
talk?
know.
Okay.
Why will I know?
Can I talk?
Mommy Joy. Mommy Joy. I'm a man of Mommy Joy now.
Can I talk? None of my chance.
Somebody
Mama,
never
can I
asked me.
talk?
Mommy Joy, Mommy Joy,
It is an because
Mommy-
they believe in my miracle. I've been moved.
Ogedwin, have comment section.
Remember, I won't be
Have comment section.
people for not believing in miracle. Miracle.
Ogedwin, even people na miracle.
Miracle carrying and
Ogedwin, he believe in
wait,
miracle.
miracle carrying and
He believe in miracle.
Miracle carrying and
That Chima, sorry, will you not pray for your soul in Catholic? Can it be the na Zion a ministry? Can it be the na Zion a ministry?
okay, are you now trying to tell me that now Muhammad Henna? That
is by the way. That is by the way. Now let me tell you another thing. You want to go? Let me tell you another thing. Now, Ajuananga just say.
Chelunu
no get win now. Kelu Ogedwin ajuru ngaju joseo. Kelu message Matthias he believe ne. Kelu ki believe ne. Since you have declared that you are a strong follower and supporter of Matthias, I am asking you now. Kelu message Matthias he believe ne. Kelu ki believe ne.
As a strong follower of Matthias,
yes,
I will repeat it again.
Yes.
Only no logo. Because, and I understand.
Do you believe it? Let me ask you this question again before the camera.
Yeah.
As a Zionite,
yeah,
that you are.
Yeah.
Do you believe it when Matthias said that one baby virgin, who we know? In fact, he was mentioning his name before the arrest. After the arrest, he changed his name to one baby virgin. Now, Evangelist Ebukobi or one baby virgin, as he always referred to him. Do you believe that one baby virgin is a fake man of God? Do you believe that all the testimonies are in way na Zion ground, that they are all arranged? Do you believe it?
Let me say it again. I repeat myself. You asked me, can you hear Muhammad like it? And I told you. Now you're asking me something that has not to do with that thing.
Have you not heard Matthias saying what I just said?
That thing that I said that he's doing that I like is what you are trying to tell me now, that I shouldn't be part of. I mean, I shouldn't like that thing. To somebody
you have never seen it.
I've not
before the camera.
I'm saying it here.
Before the camera.
I'm saying it.
You are confirming to the whole world.
Yeah,
but if you Zion, thank you very much. Now, Ogedwin, if you don't answer this question, I think go since you have said that an evangelist you have just confirmed about Zion, and I'm sure it is the same every other churches, because we have asked people.
Because Zion is not a church.
We have whether churches or ministry, churches or ministry. We have said it countless times that show me one video where a man of God has asked the congregation, do not go to hospital when you are sick.
Thank you. That's why I'm.
Show me one video.
That is why
nobody up to today.
That's why you see me. I'm still a proud Zionite.
Okay, how are you telling me that you are a proud Zionite? But I am asking you a question. Where say go? Now, Matthias says that na your daddy G.O. that your spiritual father.
Good.
Who a fake.
Your spiritual father
now your spiritual father who a fake man of God. Now your spiritual father Neymar Renji. Can you now tell the world that part of message in Matthias that you don't flow with it, that you disagree with Matthias? Now that message.
As far as I'm concerned, I will be the president that
but I don't know.
So for me, leave the fight. for God to fight.
Oh, I should leave the fight for God.
Where you are getting it wrong.
Okay. I should leave the fight for God.
Leave the fight for God. That's how it's written in the Bible.
Okay, chelo get do since no one any of you because he banketa even in on Zion. And you can tell yourself the truth. You can tell yourself the truth that it is only not only Zion, because church programs, majority of churches in England today on Facebook, and for activities on Facebook. And you will agree with me that we haven't seen any man of God.
We
haven't seen any man of God. We haven't seen any man of God so far that said, "Onya man guy is send the request." We haven't seen any man of God so far that said,
people that don't know who I am, who are on social media insulting themselves. Onya man guy be number one.
Okay, doing. I go no more. Mommy join kwa kuwa modo ne ka.
Come concentrate. I'm na kitchen. Ya maro no mumu. I'm a member of Zionites in Belgium here. I'm na Belgium group na WhatsApp. I am a member of Zionites, understand? Coming to Matthias. Matthias says that. It's one of the founder. And he says it's one of the founder and the Igbo love themselves. All I want Igbo love themselves. Mbagra register ya Matthias says that can Igbo love themselves. Register ya under you na nwunye ya. Ịpụta bịa kwuo so go won like ihe gị kwishi na war. Mana now ezugo nwanne m enweghị anything na ọwụla Matthias mere dịghị mma because onye ọwụla nọ na battle. Matthias Ezekwu na battle Christians and Gunwa nọkwa under isi Christians agaghị ala, so it's a battling, it's a fight of onye ga-emerila. I am not gonna put my mouth there, but the fact remains that no matter any Matthias Nemena, because on Apple out of track, there's a lot of things that he's doing out there that is really not.
Mommy Joy, when you were him and animal like when you put a mobile enjoy Jojo, Mommy Joy, it's na like your Matthias and activities here. Na Matthias in the Kuna Christianity Ghana, then na Moma Kuna Christianity Ghana, so they are on that one. But you said you are a Zionite. Yes, I am a Zionite member of Belgium, right?
Yes.
Meaning that you are a Christian. Mommy Joy, I want to ask you a question.
I am a Christian. Who first
Thank you. Thank you. Mommy Joy, how can you say that you cannot put your mouth na Christianity Ghana? Let me ask you, Mommy Joy, a direct question. Mommy Joy, do you think that Christianity should leave Nigeria and Igbo? Never. So never. How can you say that? How can you say that I have never supported anything?
Can you allow me to answer you?
Okay,
in Ghana, my platform, Christianity lalata. Oh, I want Christian, oh, I want Domenala. I need a wounded name. Mpuna na si Christian neme or Domenala neme kendi neme all I want from Mad Chineke Kereke neme. I speak out about it, but why I say this is because I know where you stand, Ezugo. Where you stand, yes, I'm a maybe stand through. Because I want to give up Matthias many like it because Matthias Anna fight is just a fighting. Two fighting of Onyege Merila. That's why I dropped that comment. Manamu or somebody stand to soon. Now Christianity we get born aga. Onye ola na be put this na Christianity with like this. Christianity with this all was she. All I want the Christianity, all I want do men and all I want ala adịghị mma nọ n'ala Igbo taa. Or Christianity na kidnap ndị mmadụ. Or Christianity na ransom. No, we are the one that
Mommy Joy, are you a supporter of Matthias?
A supporter of Matthias. I will tell look at so many things Matthias is saying, yes, I support him, and there is the one I don't support.
Can they support you?
Ndị support ya ebe ọ na-agwa ndị mmadụ onye na-ejighị ahụ ga ụlọ ọgwụ na ụlọ ọgwụ ga-akị ya mana ịpụta dị isi na Christianity ga-ala ime onye ọbụla by force. You cannot by force anybody to belong in what you belong.
Mommy Joy, you are able to clear and even now, Mommy Joy, do you believe in miracle?
I believe in miracle.
Do you believe that? Do you believe that God? Do you believe that God can heal? God is a healing. God is a healer. God is a healer.
Oh yes, on a
if God is a healer, let me ask you another thing, Mommy Joy.
I got no longer. God is a healer.
No, my
no go to hospital.
Again to win.
Again to win.
Again to win. And I need okenye ka iwu. Ịghọtago onweghị onye n'ime anyị nọ hia ya sị na n'onwe family enweghị family doctor or family hospital. Onweghị onye n'ime anyị ya sị na amụrụ ya na garage apart from ndị amụrụ accidentally maybe na ego adọrọ ọ na-ebu onye ọwa eju na ọgwụ wee mmụọ ya na moto mmiri nna amụrụ onye a ịga na maternity or na hospital now na ahụ na arịa mmadụ o didn't treat you when you in church can God heal you? Can you tell me, apart from the doctor na job and the pastor so na job, can you single out that message of Matthias that said that Jesus Christ is powerless, that Jesus Christ does not heal? But what does it? Okay, okay, are you saying that if I say, okay, can you show my father? Are you saying that if you say that my father is, my father is not God, so definitely, if you say now that capable of doing for me, are you saying that I should not say anything because no one will open?
Wait, Jesus Christ or Papa?
He's my father.
How is his job?
He's my father.
How?
If you pray to him, can even aware.
No, wait. How is it?
Why are you praying in his name if it's not your father?
How is he your father?
I am asking you, why are you praying in his name?
How is Jesus Christ your father? Explain.
What do you mean? Why are you worshiping him? Are you not worshiping him?
Explain to me.
Are you not worshiping him?
Explain to me.
Are you not worshiping him?
Wait.
I asked you a question.
Then why are you fighting?
Are you?
Why are you fighting?
Igwe Bono is he not a royal father?
Wait.
Igwe Bono is he not a royal father?
Yes. I only tell you, it's not good to be fighting. This kind of fight, it will only cause, make you to look stupid.
No.
And this is the area where I have problems.
We are not fighting here. Okay, don't bring in emotional sentiment here.
I'm not emotional.
We are not fighting. We will not be here. We are not fighting. Let us discuss. There are people who are paying attention here, and they want to learn something from what you are saying. Don't worry. Shelu. Do you know what it means to be a soldier of Christ?
Wait.
Do you know what it means to be a soldier of Christ? Do you know what it means to be a soldier of Christ?
Nothing like that.
Okay.
There's no way.
Do you believe in winning soul? Do you believe in winning soul for Christ?
But not in this way.
How do you win soul for Christ?
By living a Christ-like life.
By living a Christ-like life. So Shelu, by winning a soul for Christ.
Yeah, but
is he part of Ifuonye Nase onye na go na Jesus Christ is the powerless. So if you leave that Shelu, if you remember the even na gwande mmadu na Jesus Christ is the powerful.
Good. The powerful.
So now you being a Christian and a Zionite,
you think that
Zionite?
I am asking you. Do you think that
na Zion Church or
have you taken time and listened to Evangelist Kofi?
What do you mean by
have you known his stand about him?
I know. His stand is my stand, and his stand is our stand.
What is he always saying?
His stand is very simple.
No, what is he always saying?
Look, his stand is very simple. Evangelist Bukobi and the rest of us has never in any way been against our culture and tradition.
Thank you, because
what is our
that is why I like him. That's why I call him.
What is our culture?
Let us not do things.
What is our culture and tradition?
Let us not do things that will make him not be.
Caution these shows. Caution these shows. Can go caution them. As onye nnewi nwo
onye uru agụ ka
selu as onye nnewi nwo ọ ịbata nnewi wee bi uru agụ mana onye nnewi ka nwo ịghọtaga as onye nnewi nwo nnewi nwe ka ha si anụ nwaanyị ịnụ nwaanyị na nnewi usoro ndị nnewi si anụ nwaanyị wee nụọ nwaanyị ejere m Enugu je nụ nwaanyị mgbe m lụrụ Enugu emelu m omenala culture and tradition according to etu ndị Enugu si eme not according to ndị nnewi si eme nwata nwaanyị nwata nwaanyị nwụọ na Nnewi, nwa agbọghọ nwụọ, nne nwaanyị nwụọ, nwokorobịa nwụọ, enwere usoro esi emerie omenala and ebunata ozu ndị omenala anọrụ. O nwere vidio m posturu ụbọchị ebe anyị jere akwamozu ọga anyị wee sị, this is what we mean when we talk about tradition and culture. Ebunata ozu n'ụtụtụ, ndị nwe mmadụ enwere ọnọdụ ka ha mee according to ntu usoro omenala anyị si wee dụ. Ọwụrụ a Christian, ndị nwe mmadụ werucha ọnọdụ, ndị ụka abịa ka ụka ha kacha ụka ha enye mmadụ, ha nyicha mmadụ ha enyekwa efe. Ndị nwe mmadụ continue kwa with omenala ha according to usoro ntu ha si akwa ozu. That is our culture and tradition. Abịa n'ishi ọzọ, abịa n'ishi igwe, again, a lot of things that has to do with our culture and tradition. Church has never been against it. We are against Matthias. We are against Matthias.
Why?
Because Matthias is not advocating for our culture and tradition.
Oh, wow.
Matthias is against the message of Christ.
Is it against?
Yes.
Against the message of Jesus Christ.
Yes, he's against the message of Christ.
And what?
He's an antichrist.
And what is he doing now?
He's an antichrist.
What is he?
He's an antichrist because he
what
doesn't.
What is he converting for?
What do you mean by what? Matthias is telling us that Jesus Christ does not exist.
And but rather saying what?
That is where he got
saying that your father is what?
That my father is what?
Your own father that Morogena won't
No, we're gonna
an evil person.
What do you mean by he's not an evil person? And any able to know
Judas is kind of.
Have you ever seen a Bible? Jesus is kind of woman. Mommy Joy, a minute now. Or get win. Have you ever seen a Judas is kind of where the Bible? Man, a Bible.
Because I am more or less support.
Mommy Joy,
I'm very busy. People put
Mommy Joy,
Ghana my page where not bam actually me patronize ishi nere okay we ọzọ m na-abịa ama m ihe ụlọ na-akpọ ya mụnwa ebe m enwedo onye m ji apology ejide m apology any pot mụnwa awụ enwedo onye m ji apology daalụ
mba mana m
Esugo gwa Ogedwin Ogedwin nye gị my direct number maka that thing nọ na another phone.
Okay. I will do that.
Number I can patronize here. Yeah, I need a woman. Thank you that Ogedwin not time. Let us see it that they're working here no. I need a woman. If Ogedwin can stay with them, Esugo today. Tomorrow I'm not talking Nigeria. Ndị na-abịa Ezugo maka ụgbọ onye iru ụwa Ezugo jikete kpọta nwa ọmarịcha nwunye gị bịa ka anyị pụọ nwanne ana m eri aja ụwa anyị pụọ garị ụwa enweghị ebe eji nsogbu aga let love live one love ndị be anyị
Thank you Mommy Joy. Thank you. Daalụ.
Ezugo.
Okay brother, you are welcome.
Yeah, ndewo. enwere ihe m chọrọ ịrụtụ aka ịma na emere ajụjụ jụrụ Edwin gbasara Chukwu okike abịa ma awụrụ ikpere arụ I'm a full Zionite. Akwa ile anya ebe ifuru ihe yi here. Yarago Chukwu okike abịa ma Brother Ebuka also mentioned Chukwu okike abịa. Chukwu okike abịa ma is the creator of heaven and earth, the God Almighty. Chukwu okike abịa ma. That means the God of Abraham. Abiyama is Abraham. So, but I've been confused. Edwin is not a Zionite, but he doesn't believe in miracle. He doesn't believe in miracle, and also he didn't say how did Jesus Christ say that he's your father. So, which means he didn't accept Jesus Christ as his father. I don't know why he's a Zionite. I don't know his purpose of going there. My brother, for you to be a Zionite, you like a go the activities, and the testimony, the miracle. I regard you here, Basara, the things Matthias in against Brother Ebuka. Instead of you to openly condemn it, that's around. Now that's around. Oh yeah, the one way hospital. There is some things hospital will not handle for you. There is some things that you gotta go one such experience. One of somebody who is very close to me. All no log within a treat is shy any line treat hana ojala hana. But all that Zion with that Brother Ebuka touching her on one way then that issue Anna. Okay. If you don't believe in Zion, the legacy is the I know getting who Brother Ebuka later. What is your purpose? If you want to build your spirit, you can build your spirit inside the church, Catholic church, you need to be a Zion. So I'm surprised. You know? But what you are saying, one that says Zionite, you are not supposed to be a Zionite.
I'm a Zionite, because
no, you are not. You are an infiltrator. You are an infiltrator. You are an infiltrator.
I am a Zionite.
For this your comment, you are an infiltrator. If you cannot defend your spiritual father boldly,
because I'm not here. I have to say my own. Ogasa, I have respect for you. You cannot come here and lay an allegation on me and just walk out.
No, there's no allegation.
Okay, my brother, let me tell you, you are not in any way representing Zion with this statement in here.
Yeah.
Because sorry.
Okay. Now, my brother.
Statement you made wrong. Somebody against your
okay, anyway, eventually Ebuka Obi after high gen no wali og. Matthias so wali gen no wali og. When the Matthias say apportion high gen no wali og.
I've not seen one.
You have not seen one.
I've not seen.
Thank you very much. Now, Efrena no happen here Chukwu. Man is na Chukwu ago. You said it here
because
though can you show that Jojo? Chukwu okike abịama and this our ancestors. Why people like you jam reform?
What am I doing? I'm trying to tell you what I do.
You were trying to justify that part of messaging.
Finish.
Everybody believe
no, brother, whether they believe on it or they believe on it. Even now, just get to know.
How can they do it?
What I don't even know. How much even know? Even now, when you or get to win, you don't know what you Even na Chukwu nwere mgbe o ji wee gwa Ogedwin ya jee nụwarụ ya ọgụ. Because I know ebe a ka ọ na-justify message of evangelist Ebuka Obi about Chukwu Okike Abiama. He tried to say a lot of things about Chukwu Okike Abiama. Now, the Chukwu Okike Abiama apportion you to fight for him. Why do you people always have a way of trying to silence the Christians so that they can give way for your messages to shine? Now, I don't want anybody to distract me from that place in Naga because actually, okay. Ogedwin, Ajuru Ngosego, na culture evangelist Ebuka Obi na advocate for. Women and Igbo, Ejirimalunde. Thank you. It has nothing to do with any idol worshipper of Ijetulunzu, of Ijetuedo, or Ijebumanya, or Ijebulokoko. That one is your choice. That one is your choice. That wasn't the part of Omenana. Because I want to ask any problem you are always blowing us back. And I'm sure you with Unzo. So, but he need the candle. Am I not saying yes? One even the candle, me. Can you hear candle? Okay, for us, go no more on your hand. Okay, for not us, go no more on your hand. Can you do it? Okay, because it seems like you don't want us to talk about this part of messaging. No, you have a reason why you don't want us to talk about it. Why do you have? You don't want us to talk about it. We have to talk about it. Why do you have problem with it? We will. You don't have problem with it. Why don't you have problem with that? Now, Ogedwin. Even Basalo Menana, Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-ekwu about is njirimara ndị Igbo. Ife eji wee mara ndị Igbo. Etu ndị Igbo si anụ nwaanyị. Etu ndị Igbo si
culture and tradition.
Culture and tradition. It has nothing to do with any form of appeasement, any form of worship. Ogedwin Uchelu Nuda.
Because in my way, I don't see any problem with Unzo.
What shall it represent? You cannot serve two masters at a time. What? But I use Unzo. But I use when I talk about Unzo and they do. When I talk about Unzo and they do. With so many places and like Aneshi also and on a palace and a lot of things where you can use Nzu and Dedo. But you know what I am talking about. You know what I am talking about. So when we talk about the other part of man, you keep making reference to Neji Esini or Neji Awaji or Neji Aswabia. Man intentions to get your intentions are not pure. Ogedwin, you are not a Christian. You are not a Zionite. You are not a Zionite. Ogedwin, you are not a Zionite. You are not a Zionite. You cannot pretend to be a Zionite. Allow me to talk. Can use candle to kill you? What are you trying to tell me? They will never allow you to say anything about Mataya. The moment Jesus Christ. Allow Jesus Christ. Are you fighting for Jesus Christ? Allow Jesus Christ to. Why are you fighting for Nzu? Wait. Are you the manufacturer of Nzu? Wait, I'm asking you a question. Why are you fighting for Nzu? Why are you fighting for Nzu? I couldn't answer. You put me on your screen. You don't put all yourself.
Otu isi defend the materials now. Can you put it defend?
Defend materials. My size.
Edwin,
my class?
since I
all people like you are not a Zionite. You are not one. You are not one.
Edwin, listen. Edwin, I know you since 2018.
You know me very well. This man
Palace of Justice.
He's fighting for who? He's fighting for Zion. He's not fighting
before the formation of Palace of Justice.
Edwin, I'm fighting for my ancestors.
You are fighting for your ancestors.
Edwin, I know you before the formation of Palace of Justice.
You don't know me.
Then again,
if there's a form of page again about chase inform what page again about chase them away.
Tony,
no, if I know you. He said if I know you, that's why I'm trying to tell you. So I know you very well.
Tony Chelu, achọghị m ka program a dị noisy. Ogedwin ihe nyela anyị aka ka program a ghara ịdụ noisy. Ịghọtago? For nna ha. I can't remember mentioning nna ya ebe a. And I can't remember mentioning anybody that is related to you here. So, Matthias or nna ya.
My ancestors are not able. They represent Nanam.
I am mentioning every single thing we have mentioned.
They represent Nanam.
Yes, we use it. Okay. Manana go Bible.
I beg Bible. My own father.
Yes.
My father Garoka.
Your father Jeloka.
Yes.
So Bible your father Buru. Obolo even Nana who are using. My
father. I got me a Bible.
Okay, Chelu.
I got me a Bible half here, my father Buru.
Okay. Mana your father Bible now.
But I got me a half.
Mana Bible so if Hebrew now.
I got
Bible.
I got me a half of it. I got me get it over get it. Every from my mama here no more. Get me
on a Zion in
oh God.
Ajụrụ m ajụjụ. Ị na ha egosi onwe gị na screen. Ị na-ekwu okwu n'ime onye nyọrọ gị ụwa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi si agwa gị onye nyọrọ gị ụwa.
Edwin, biko enwere ajụ nchọrọ eju ka branch nọ na Zion na Germany.
Branch nọ na amụ ebighị na Germany biko ebi m na Nigeria. Anyị nọ n'ebe a ga-akọfa m kwa ebe nọ. Hapụta ebe m bi.
Elena branch dị registered.
Biko ebe a na-anọ na Zion ha na-achọkwa ndị adị mụ na mụ na ha nọ Nigeria. The coordinator nọ na Hanover. Coordinator Germany nọ na Hanover. Mụ na ya na-ahụ na Zion. Mụ bi na Nigeria biko.
Ogedwin, ka anyị mee program of more for na moto na now let us run this program so that we can Chelu Ogedwin anyị na-ewolie one after the other ọ ya akwụkwọ n'ụtọ ọ na-ewute na ịmaghị onye nyọrọ ụwa mgbe jụọ ya ajụjụ ọ na-aza evangelist
Ezugo, honestly speaking, honestly speaking, you cannot use propaganda and pursue me out of Zion.
But the propaganda now.
So actually I'm a Zionite. And doesn't mean
No. You are not a Zionite.
You are
not a Zionite, bro.
Okay.
Who my father? Who book in the Bible? Where book
Okay, Chelu.
My grandfather.
Okay, look at your grandfather. See, we made mistake. Book the Bible. Book for you. Your father made mistake.
My father went book
the Bible. Book for you. Go and take one at Zion. Did the one and they book a Bible. Keep for you. Where you want to do West? On a Zion, a lot of people who know today. On my hand, what you hear about chapter?
I'm not chapter. I go and my Lord. So I'm not working my own deficit.
Include your own deficit. Okay, do it. And need to me when you're more.
You need him, but one day you might
okay.
I need to go to get the one again. My father, I'm a the importance of it. To tell me your Lord more. What my bag? What are your Lord more? Then now more one I'm going to so because save your own child.
Okay, do we go? Kelebun away Maruma Zion, we be to Zion. On a Facebook.
I put on a Facebook.
Beg for your way.
Nigeria here.
Na Nigeria. Oh, there must be something that made you
to Zion in a Kuna. My mother is a Zionite. My mother and I want to do
my father.
You don't put more weight in my nobody, I myself did it.
You started going to Zion.
Yes.
How did you get to know about Zion? How did you get to know about Zion?
I will tell you how. I will show you the video.
On a video, okay, for you?
Yes.
Na Facebook, okay, for you?
Even he called my name.
Okay, thank you.
He called me out.
Okay, Shelu. So actually, he believes in prophecy.
Oh, God.
You believe in prophecy.
Joya.
You said that Evangelist Kobe called you out, and it made you to start going to Zion.
Get no professor. Why, Mama?
Okay, do we get it?
So I know you book. I know what I. Oh, you back going to me? I put them na mama no na. Okay, na call here.
So, what of the solution? Also, the amuma. The solution to the amuma.
Augasa, have you now understand where I'm going?
I have to be honest with you. She look at you like you when we what they be naga. Is a home Jojo. I got to be naga, including Torino here. So he believe in amuma.
What am I?
And amuma we even so.
Thank you.
So now, do you believe in prophecy with solution? Do you believe that every prophecy will be a solution?
Do
you believe?
Zaya.
My brother, I just got Jerome. Amuma, got Jerome. Amuma, people wade. Amuma is for you to know the right thing and do it.
Oh.
But only the Amuma, when you get solution, I gotta go ahead, which is on at the very, very rare. The good money, audio Guyana, most Amuma never a solution. Because I call a team on
So now let us believe with solution, but they say no, the right.
Very, very rare.
Thank you. Meaning that name will amuma with solution. Now let me take you back to Ifi Kuburu before here. If one na nchi gosi na video ife mere ji wee bido jebe Zion.
Thank you.
Now, what
I can do. I am up taram.
Out now. Was that not what you said?
Because I got them ball my video. On a good
Also,
I can't go to this my video and I go to look at something. Because
he mentioned
it's my problem. It's my own.
No.
Without a proof, then I'm making mockery of myself.
I don't need that. I don't need the proof.
Then
you saying it alone is enough for me to believe it. It's not out. I think you can even marry you.
Imagine I got rewind that video. Get who be me veron ku na boptaram.
It's they called you.
Not out.
Onye no na camera kutere bogu one never na ekwu ihe ọzọ na.
They called you.
No, he said they called me out.
Hey. Igbo rapper, is it not calling you out?
No, not physical calling out. Ezugo, not physical calling out. His name was mentioned. That's what he said.
Okay, let me go with Ifiku. Your name was mentioned. There was a prophecy. Is that not true? And the Nyamerigi will be to Jerusalem. Now, against the wind. Even you will say in a kuku, I will know if they need Jerusalem, Ijebelu for your soul. Now, have you seen why I said I don't want to know what took you to Zion? Reason is because everybody from a Zion ministry were different things at Zion. But we know that it is not to go and pray for your soul. Because you can pray for your soul anywhere.
Okay, now
Evangelist did not mention your name for you to come and you will pray for your soul.
I agree. You not agree that what I'm fighting against something.
To pray for his soul. But because of John Zion. One member and you don't need to join Zion. Able to pray for your souls. Why do you join Zion? Because of the prophecy.
My brother, I will, because of statement him right now, I will not continue this topic. And as you go, if you continue this topic, I will just.
Okay. I didn't provoke. We are having a game discussion here.
But you people can respect me. I happen this topic.
So
don't discuss me.
Okay. Let us leave you out.
Me.
But don't take us to yourself again.
Talk about me. You know my whatever I am.
Okay, get win.
Whatever I'm doing in Zion.
Get win. Don't take us. Don't take us.
Now you have said it. If it's to pray for your souls, there is many churches. Any church in Onaya, you can pray for your souls.
I've recited it enough.
Tony.
Furthermore, I will not even.
Tony, let us.
I will not send that.
Let us not talk about Ogedwin again. But Ogedwin, don't.
Nobody can take it away from me. I'm a Zionite.
Ogedwin, don't redirect us.
Infiltrator.
Now,
yes, never.
I will leave him when you I'm on the Yaki generation of Zion. But everyone say I have been now. We are going to leave all those things, but let me go back to what I was talking about.
Go on.
Don't redirect me back to yourself again, so that we can stop talking about you. Now, enwere omenala Igbo. Omenala Igbo mụ na yo as a Christian believe is not the same as the one Matthias now propagate. What Matthias is propagating or is promoting is a substitute, not a substitute, a replacement for our Christian faith. Matthias is in the other way around, telling us that we should leave Christianity that Jesus Christ is fake, that God doesn't exist, that man is God to man, that Jesus Christ is just a story or whatever thing. Now you that is dedicating your time praying to God, praying to Christ, calling the name of Jesus Christ, is dancing to the message of Matthias. Matthias did not just wake up and start saying, take people to hospital, Jesus Christ and olive oil does not heal people. He knows that pastors pray for people. Even doctors will tell you that doctors cure, but Jesus Christ heal. Doctors cure, but God heals. Doctors who professional we tell you that they cure, but not God when not heal. We all know that. That was how we grew up. We all go to the hospital. We pray to God. We all go out there every day to hustle in our areas of business, but we still pray to God to bless us. We all use our money to pay for transport fare. We all choose our different and the individual choice means of transportation. Well, but we pray to God to guide us to our destination. We are not praying God to throw us from Lagos to East. We move to Ekenedirichukwu, we move to Eastern Mass, we move to Orizu, we move to Epis, we move to Kerafa Airline or United Nigerian Airways. We went there, we bought tickets. Then we pray to God to guide us to our destination. So nobody prays. And when such people, they can be classified into minority of people who keep doing things wrong. We have them everywhere, in every family, in our business field, in our business line, in our workplaces. They keep doing things wrongly, but they belong to the minority. Now, what I am saying is, message of Matthias is saying that olive oil and Jesus Christ does not heal. He is not hidden in the fact that you should take a sick person to the hospital. It is a replacement for that thought I know. It is a replacement for Jesus Christ for you. It is It is a way of telling us that Jesus Christ is powerless, that our Christian faith is powerless, that we should leave Christianity and join Him in that That is why he hid that message. Okay, he is not awakening people that they should start going to the hospital, or we know what is sponsoring or what is motivating that his message. Can I talk? Of olive oil does not heal. Can I talk? You know that. Can I talk? You can now talk. Thank you. Ezuko, my brother. Honestly speaking, I am so happy when you called me this afternoon. You remember I just got up to 2 or 3 hours, you called me, Abby. I thought the world should know how we got to meet each other now. You called me and you told me, am I in Lagos? I said, I'm in Lagos. I'm very much around because I don't know your movement. You came into Lagos and we met immediately. You came, as I'm talking to you, it's in my house. So, why am I saying this? I have an appointment here. I know, no, since yes, can do social media where that because some people will be surprised. Is this Ezugo and okay doing on this live program? Please, this is how life is supposed to be. Nobody has the let me say, all this thing we create on this media space is not in any way the reality. I always say it. Then a lot of things we do on media is not what we expect, you know. So Ezugo is practical example. I'm not in any way. I was not scared meeting him or knowing his own stand about everything. So I want to use this medium to appreciate him for the finding me worthy to come and visit me. Okay. So now coming to the issue about Matthias Ezugo. Please, Ezugo, I said it. I will repeat it again, and I will not repeat myself again. Matthias has a very good message he has been sending up. Before he started sending this out, he was before doing a lot of charity work, which I saw with my eye. And I have said that I know his anger. You know, if we keep attacking him, he will keep doing more.
So where am I going? If there's no way you can come and ask Matthias not to shut down maybe that place is gathering people to kind of do his own omena his own way. I am not in any way someone that you people might be surprised. Maybe next week you people will see me in that Omenala church. Okay, we call them. No, that is the Lord. That is the Lord. Because here I won't be truth about it. That our church, that's not Omenala church. I'm not church. I know where.
You do what? Network I do everybody.
About where the call. I didn't know here now. So bad.
You do what? I didn't know phone on my speak out.
Because I'm put no go.
Well, why you do? I know we literally.
I'm put before it's here.
Local.
I know Natia and I'm mood. I may have you put on. Una pugono ya neku. Oh yeah, the wrong things are. A brother, uncle Joe now and we bambi or no here can be. Or you go get testify. Because why am I saying this? This guy, Matthias, who has been doing a lot of great things before he started going the way the party is going. It will not make me to come and be fighting him. Because God never asked you to go and fight his fight for him. So why am I saying this? I am struggling saying it and I will repeat it. I stand by whatever he says about treatment. If he is sick, because that's what I know him for. He always comes seek for support for people to go to hospital. And at the time, he started showing cases of little cases that could have been taken care of with 5 or 20,000 naira. The person later developed a serious sickness, which a church could have catered for. So his anger started growing. Matthias used to pray to do anything he want to do before for years. You know what I mean? So, as you go, Biko, I want you to know that Matthias is a man, a full-grown man. Whatever activity he's doing in that is Omenala church is his own problem. But the principal aspect of it, the one thing I like he's doing is addressing our people. If you are sick, go to hospital. And that's how even me, if I fall sick and somebody didn't carry me to hospital and carry me to go to somewhere that they want to use prayer to pray me out, I will not be happy. You know, maybe I'm no more talking. I don't know how I will put it. So, my brother, I want you to know one thing. Let love lead. I've always said it. We are all brothers. Let us stop this thing we are doing to each other. There's no way you can use force to stop Matthias from whatever he's doing. Likewise, Matthias can never even stop my spiritual father from what he's doing. So what is the essence of coming out fighting each other like this? Our brother that called in now, you don't know me, you say I'm not
Let us
Idua can never, you know, come to this conclusion.
Before the camera, you have talked down on my personality. So forget about individual.
Okay,
this is the problem I have with you people. I go cover if I put my soldier. Okay, he's not my soldier. My point exactly is
my brother.
My point exactly is we should stop pointing at what each other says. We have all said about each other.
I don't even know the guy. But he say I told you rubbish about against me. But it's okay. It's his own level of understanding. My brother
the reality more something that doesn't go with your own or didn't call disrespect. I'm heading to 50. In a kwoku more can you agree here? One mother bag the real truth, accept it as no disrespect. I'm not going to say who I'm not. One the reality is that you don't want to stand the defend the ID card.
Even you know, break it.
The other brother, our
Biko can the little contribution that I just want to make is this. I just want to talk a brief about Matthias. From the first day, Matthias on his camera, that was the first time I started watching him and started following him. I know how Matthias started. The rest is history. Now, Matthias went to India. Where India, where banye court. Ko banye that court wa ho banye na India. E we nya wan piam mo. O we wori agwe na Nigeria. We feel no geji that power enyeri na India. That mpiam mo ahụ je na India we je wote no geji agwe na eme miracle. Ihe ndị ọzọ otu ndị pastors si eme. When he now came back, he burnt the Bible. Now, all those things he couldn't do those miracles that the pastors and the prophets were doing. Unnecessarily. Now, na-asị na na-eje ụlọ ọgwụ ọ na-anaghị eje ụlọ ọgwụ ifunugo ebe ndị na-eje ụka bịa sị gị eje n'ụlọ ọgwụ ma ọ bụ na ahụ n'ahịa gị. Most of the hospitals that were built in Igbo.
Then why are we not talking about it?
No.
Since we know now, what's the essence of talking about it?
Let him to stop saying it. Why are we talking about it?
Wait,
We should allow him to keep saying it. Why we should close our mouth?
Ezugo,
Is that what you are telling me?
how will you do it?
So how will you continue to prove to people? Why should we be talking about it?
How will you do it?
By enlightening people. Now sit on out. If you cannot tell him to stop lying, but you will tell us to stop proving to people. No,
Yeah,
how can you people be biased?
I am a strong supporter.
How can you people be biased?
I am a strong supporter of that idea that onye ahụ adịghị anụ ụlọ ọgwụ.
Jee gosi m onye ahụ adịghị eje n'ụlọ ọgwụ. Go and show me na akwụkwọ ndị na-eje Zion si na ifubeghị na Zion. Ọ bụrụ na ifubeghị na Zion ịma na Matthias wụ the highest gift of Zion. Where have you seen it? Where have you seen it?
Achọrọ ka m gwa biko nke anyị kwuo okwu.
Where have you seen it?
Biko before Matthias the video man operate, a lot of this we are going on.
Where? Okay, doing check at this. We are not telling us where it is happening. We are still sounding the way
Matthias. Matthias help this hooligan.
Men are on about men family.
But tell me where. Kevin Coach is Coaches ha na-achịpụtasị na ndị ngwarọgọrọ ije n'wichi a
onweda n'onye
ma gịnị mere ozi ha
onweda n'onye chịpụta crutches.
Yes, before. I thought we get to
say na abagazi na mba na chịpụta crutches. Oga miracle na everywhere.
Ogwa na bamba.
Na jogo onweda na
why miracle is
onweda okwụsị ho. Unless no na watch ho. Unless no na watch ho end of 100 days. The other day a madman. Eche no get wins no na
Zion.
Eche nisi ni Zion.
Anyane ekwoku Zion. Matthias is not against Zion. Because he's not against Zion. He's not Zion. Matthias is not against Zion only.
Ngwa ni wo nyi hu abua ihe pụta. So he na-eje Zion. Mana ị nọ na Zion onye ala do healed. Why did you not come out na Zion? Gwa na onye ala ahụ wara nji na ọdọ mana ị na-eje Zion.
Ezugo, in your life,
my brother,
in your life, but you have one. But how is it? It's your own opinion. But what do people to know? They know they deceive. How deceive can they deceive? And about money who have one.
Have you not proved it?
It's your own opinion.
So you have proved
your opinion. What you did now is totally not. You are not living life. That thing I need to preach. You condemn
how they want people to live like who they are not living like.
Because
How do you want me to?
you can continue this part. I'm not part of it.
Brother, gawa
Eh,
n'iru.
I'm not part of it.
Ezugo,
Gawa n'iru. Gawa n'iru.
What part is
Gen-
you want to be about papa again?
Ezugo, please, I want people to listen to me. Now,
Gawa n'iru.
most of the hospitals that was built in Igbo land was built by Christians, by the missionaries. Do you understand? Oh, how now most of us even during the Civil War, the missionaries came, Christians. That one apart. Let me talk briefly about Edwin Igwe. Edwin Igwe bụ Kenya rụrụ man. He doesn't behave like an elderly person.
No, brother. Let us not go personal.
Ezugo.
Wait, my brother. My brother said, no, can you direction? Oh, hey, man, I'm like, let us stick to that particular issue. Let us not go about the personality of Edwin. Let us not bring it to whatever we are discussing here. We are discussing about what brought about these issues now. What are going with issues lead right to where we are here. So let us focus on. All right. So let us focus on that particular thing. Yes.
This true Oyibo say, if there is no event, there will be no history. Now, allow me to say brief about Edwin Igwe. Do you know what Edwin Igwe have cost? Do you know that Edwin Igwe was part of people that destroyed the OGC Okeke Njakazi NGO? Do you know that? Are you aware of that? So when I'm talking about Edwin Igwe, I know him from the beginning when he started operating on Facebook. So I can tell you much about that man. So you asking me not to say something about him you are not being fair to me. Because that is how he goes from one platform to another to destroy the good work of people.
Then his page was there, he chased them away. Chased them away was his page.
So I can tell you more about Edwin Igwe. Edwin Igwe is a negative person. You will never see him where they are doing good. If they are doing good, you will see him coming to destroy that good things that people are laboring for. So Edwin Igwe is never a good man. So I'm even surprised to see him on this live program. And most of the times it doesn't make sense. Most of the times that he's talking, he just argue blindly or argue because of argument. It doesn't make sense.
Anyway, brother, by engagement like this, with engagement like this, we're not covering them mother. Because by running away from those people, they may never understand. You got to go. Everyone is going to an anchor and they do know. There is no way you can constantly be protecting Matthias and his escapade, but you will keep telling us to close our mouth. Although don't fight for Christ, why are you fighting for Ebukobi? Is this the Ebukobi did not ask you to be doing this? Now, but you keep defending Matthias. You cannot even condemn something to bad Matthias in a they preach him too much. Is all of them now claiming to be Zionite. Everybody is now a Zionite. Every one of them is now a Christian. Conduct one way in a manner a Christian shall conduct. You can't do that. Or you go how to live and behave like Christians. You cannot do that. Who are you expecting to be a better Christian that you cannot be?
Ezugo, inanum. Emma, Osina Prophet Ebuka Koraya, and this man who said that he doesn't believe in miracle. Abahagi, and you agree what it is. Abahagi, and you agree that no one give a cap here. You believe na ọwa aha gị ka akpọrọ believe one of those prophecies ahụ o nyere n'isi gị. Because of that, you will be man Zion. And why do you come to the Zion? For the solution of the problem. Because again, we hear again one amụma ahụ n'isi gị, you did be man Zion ahụ. If it is to pray for your souls, there is many ways you can pray for your souls. So telling me that he is coming to Zion to pray for his souls is completely lie. You wanna go? I don't know how you can be a Zionite. You didn't believe in miracle, which means and somebody you call your spiritual father, somebody I condemn and I say allow Jesus to fight for himself. But so that we can allow Matthias to be criticizing him.
Allow Jesus Christ and the evangelist Nebuchadnezzar to prove himself, but you will be defending Matthias.
Then for people to believe, I get defend this your wine. For people to believe in him, Matthias in if you cannot encounter his lies, how can people believe? So my brother, how the surprise for Edwin? Man, I'm a go one that place yo. This guy who can infiltrator, when was a night, you can go the real truth.
No,
not a Zionite. He's not a Zionite. He can never be a Zionite. I'm actually a care branch in on a admin, all those things. On our worry, my location here. You understand? He's not a Zionite.
It's not.
So why I'm a happy guy about thanks for bringing me in.
Yeah, because definitely I will end this broadcast because when you have a live open now, definitely the program
disrespect or so I go okay, I'm I know him for 2018. Create a page and chase them away. They are the honorable Palace of Justice. Chase them away. I'm a man on a claim. I know those things, so I don't want to go into that.
I'm doing Igwe from the first day he came to Facebook. Is it not Ogechi that brought all of them to Facebook? Who knows who he is? Is it not Ogechi? Most of them came to Facebook because of Ogechi. Is it not because of Ogechi that they start hearing their name? What are they talking about? We know their history.
The worst is that if Okwuluola can say that during those days, Okwuluola Ndị Igbo na-eme pretense, Okwuluola Ndị Igbo na-asa azụ iko, or Okwuluola Ndị Igbo na-eme eye service, disregarding the charity work on na-eme. What makes you believe that now all these Amansi Matthias can make us to look away from the actual Matthias that we know? Matthias is an antichrist. Every single message on a preach is to back up that antichrist message. Let nobody mistake it. If you are a Christian and you are not seeing Matthias for an antichrist that he is, I don't know the kind of a Christian you are. Because somebody cannot claim to love your family, to love your father, but that person will be talking down and undermining the image of your father, blackmailing the image of your father, saying no for family. How can that person be? How can that person claim to love your family? And that's a new way Christian. But you know the foundation of message Matthias needed. Matthias has proven himself to be the Jesus Christ of our time. That he has done more than Jesus Christ can ever do. A Christian and which kind of a Christian are you? Who are you even going inside that church to go and pray for? If that person is so powerful that he cannot do anything, why are you worshiping a powerless God? I am asking you, why are you worshiping a God that is powerless, that he cannot provide for you anything? But every day, every Sunday, he was Yata and Kwado, Jenu Nuka, Jeberu, the same God. Yeah? I don't understand. My people are thinking I'm going to end this broadcast about. I will come back later.
Thank you very much for accepting
so we have to end this broadcast here. I don't know.
Thank you very much. I appreciate for accepting my request.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, this is to show you people, in whatever thing I name on Facebook here, Mama ways you go, I don't have any personal grievances for anybody, not even one person. If you present yourself to be my enemy, I will treat you like an enemy. If you present yourself to be my friend, I will treat you like a friend. If you present yourself to be my colleague, I will treat you as my colleague. I don't bear any grudges or any personal beside this particular topic I na dey treat with. Beside what I feel about if any na in a treaty with anything personal, I don't care. Except no jaka will be personal to me. You want that? Then so we see no na ye book follow. You want that? Okari Hetua, I still remain your favorite Ezugo. Eh? That no moto na su ife ni na ife ni fly na ekwu ifa. Okwo moto can start the by AC on eco. Mona Senando jobless. Mona Senando jobless. Nando jobless. Naro on fuel no naro on fuel na moto. So ke we make program ki we no ifa na ekwu. But I wash here. You wash where watch shy. Senando jobless. Eh? You watch what program or watch a program. Let's go to jobless. Nando jobless. Yeah? Ike Wolo. Ike Wolo. Not go. So, bye. Thank you.